Hello guys, welcome to ND Fashion Concept. This is another tutorial, a powerful tutorial on how to draft a male pant. Okay, I did videos on how to draft male pants, not trousers. I think it's about 2 videos I've already made, but this one is quite different and quite much more advanced 2021 and it's very okay. So let's get to it. Pocket length is 7.5. I'll mark, and please make sure you respect all the details. Every mark in this video has a reason. So I'm dividing the waist measurement. I divide by 4. So whatever waist measurement you're using, make sure you divide by 4 and add there. Okay, so whatever it gives you, you add by ½ inch. For example, this I'm adding ½ inch because I'm not using that on this trouser. So if you're using that, you should add 1 inch. All right, so whatever it gives you after adding the ½ inch I added, or your 1 inch you added there, bring it down. That is the crotch line. Okay, that is the crotch line for your pants by trouser. So the next thing I'll be marking is dividing the waist, the lap. I divide lap by 2. I divide the lap by 2. Okay, whatever it gives you on your measurement, you put it down there. I'm not adding any extra allowances to it. Then you bring down the waist measurement down and add extra 1 inch. Extra 1 inch. That will give you a slant. Okay. So I mark the straight line for us to see all the lines. Okay, I indicate the line as well. So after marking that, the next thing you should mark is what? Your zipper length measurement. So some people they use 7, but I'm using 6.5 depending on the person I'm making this pant for, this trousers for. Okay, so the next thing is I will shape the line. I will shape the line. Okay, so guys, subscribe to this channel. I teach easy method on how to draft and cut sewing aspect of male outfits. Okay, so I will extend the lines. I believe this is a better view. So I extended the line, then the half length, which is from your waist to your nail, whatever you have there, you put it down there, and I'm taking in ½ inch. Okay, ½ inch. This is for the out seam allowance shaping. Okay, out seam shaping, sorry for that. So I shaped it to have a nice shape down there, as you can see. So I'll mark it at the inseam as well. So after marking it, then I will divide the round knee. Whatever you have on your round knee, you should divide by 2. Alright, so I divide mine and I will be adding extra ½ inch. Remember, on the measurement for the lap, I did not add any inch, so make sure you respect the details. There is a reason for all this. Then the next thing we are going to mark is the full length of your trouser. Okay, whatever measurement you have for the full length, you put it down there. Then you'll be adding extra 1.5. Okay, there are a lot more videos that I will be making on this channel. We are just getting started. Okay, so personalize this channel for you to get more. Then I will go up by 8 inch. Okay, I'm going up by 8 inch. This 8 inch is to allow you shape your trouser, the pants, the front foot very well without any difficulties. Okay, so divide your foot. Then before you mark the foot, you should add 1 inch. Mark 1 inch all across the 8 and the 2.5 you added. Then make a straight line like this. Okay, you made a straight line, then you connect shaping to the other line, which is the half length. So I've done the shaping. Okay, so that's it. And meanwhile, my other channel, I'll be dropping videos on how to make blazers on my other channel, ND Fashion Blazer. So do make sure you check out on it for you to be part of the family. So comment on this video as well. If you like this video, comment on it. Now you divide your round foot. Remember, we divided. Whatever you have on your measurement, you should put it down there. The round foot you divide by 2. Whatever it gives you, you put it down there. Then you add extra 1 inch to it. I'll get to it. You add extra 1 inch. Okay, you add also to here, making it straight. As you can see, it is straight, so that when you're stitching, you stitch straight as well. Then when you pass through there, you can be able to shape your trouser very well from the lines you see there. I will be providing video for the stitching, so make sure you follow this channel very well. So I'll connect the lines now. I'll be connecting the lines. Okay, so the sewing aspect of this video will pop up after the end of this video, so make sure you watch to the end. And if it doesn't pop up, that means the video is not yet available, but I will post it when it is available, so that you will easily access the sewing part. And it will be divided, because making of a trouser takes almost 1 hour or 30 minutes. Okay, so that is why I have to split the videos. Okay, so that you won't spend much time on this very one video. Okay, so I'm now cutting out the front part. Okay, we are done with the front part. So as you can see, the shaping and everything is all okay. Follow these steps and you make yours very well. Alright guys, so subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, please subscribe. And my birthday is coming up November 6th. I'll be making my suit and I'll be going to studio, so you can see what I've got. Okay, subscribe to ND Fashion Blazer and you will learn how to make suits. Believe me, I am yet to give you what I know. My 2 channel is going to blow your mind. Just subscribe and be part of the family. Okay, so this is now the back side. And should in case you have any product you want to advertise, I am up for it. You just have to contact me via WhatsApp. Taking my number, you charge me for over WhatsApp, and I will run some advertisement for you. You just have to do what? Go into agreement. Okay, so that is it. So I'm placing the front so I can be able to copy out the back, copy out the shape. Okay, that's it. So after you've done arranging it very well, positioning it in the way that it will come out very neat and okay, you just have to do what? Trim out the shape. It's quite a very simple tutorial, so give it your best. And this method also is for your suits, which is the blazers. You can also use this pattern to cut your suit trousers. It is all the same, it's okay. Okay, so after doing that, now I will push the back the front inward. Okay, inward. Now for the lap of the back side, I'm adding 3.5. okay, it should be 3 inch, but because we didn't add that half inch to the front, we are bringing it to the back side, so which makes it 3.5. okay, Then for the foot, for the back side, for the foot, we are using 1 inch as well. Remember, we added 1 inch to the front side. Okay, so just try and make sure you follow this step, and I believe you will get it as well. So after that, I will then mark the lines to indicate where and how I'm going to shape the back side. Okay, so make sure you indicate your line so that when you're done stitching, everything will be straight. Okay, so remember, I'm not using that for this pant, so you can use 2 inch down here if you're using that, but if you're not using that, you can use 1.5 like this. I'm using 1.5. Okay, so I will just have to make a nice shape, and also you should try and make sure you get all these working tools. All right, then the upper one, we are going to extend the back waist by 1.5. So after extending it, we are going to connect to the front. Okay, we are going to connect to the front, getting that slant shape, of which it means that the back side is now more longer or taller to the front. Okay, so that is it. This video is quite very amazing. Okay, so now from the back shape you did there, you have to do what? Go in by 1 inch. Okay, I'm trying to indicate the pocket. I go in by 1 inch. Okay, so whatever it gives you, you divide it. So I divide and I get the center. So if you're using that, just do the same thing. Okay, and you come down by 3.5. Okay, your pocket starts from the 3.5. Okay, so I'm going to arrange the line so that we can be able to get the actual position for the pocket. Okay, that's the center, and I'm going to mark a straight line across. Then I do use 5.5 inches for my pocket size. For the wideness of my pocket, I use 5.5. Okay, 5.5. Okay, so after doing that, you mark line like this, which means we are indicating the pocket size. As you can see, the pocket size has been indicated, and this is just what you need to do while making the stitching. So don't worry, the stitching video will be made available. I'm working on it. Okay, so for the front pocket, you slant, which is a cross pocket, you slant by 2.5 or 2 inch. Then to the 7.5 pocket depth, you go in by 0.5 inch, which is the notch. You notch by 0.5 inch. Then I connect, and that is it for the video, and that is it for the cutting, the drafting of this very trouser. So guys, I hope you do love this video, because I believe this video is quite amazing and it's quite okay. So it is for education purpose. Subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. It will notify you whenever I get to upload a new video, any content like this. Show me some love. Subscribe to my channel, go to ND Fashion Blazer, and you see my channel for suit making. And don't worry, the waistcoat cutting drafting aspect is coming up soon, and it will be dropped on ND Fashion Blazer. So subscribe to the channel and be part of us. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.